Hello you guys, thank you for tuning in. In today's video we're doing a boxing from Worldwide Corals, live coral. The box is descriptive on what's inside, has good safety precautions. Let's go ahead and open it up and see the content. I went ahead and cut the tape to skip past the struggle. Inside of here will be, I assume, some information to what the inventory is of stock of receipt. The picture there is displaying what I purchased. I got the neon green hammer and it was about 38 bucks, about $20 shipping, 58.10. Low leveled, moderate flow and lighting. Very happy with that. I did lose my green torch and I figured this was a hardier coral and I love the color. So I guess this paper is telling us Worldwide Coral, the address. First off, they like to thank me for my business. If I experience any losses, how they would go about the procedure and return. It seems that they have a 10-day of receiving corals that die, and that they will definitely give you some substantial customer service or a refund. Looks like we have some acclimation tips, quick acclimation guide. Looks like a temp act, blowing off debris. Also tell you where to place the corals. Also, I'm really thrilled to see this brochure of Reef Palooza, but we'll get to that. This is their card, pretty neat, nifty card. I like that red fish. I want to try that in my 25-gallon lagoon. For you all who've been following me know that I have another tank build. I did switch off the lights to the stock lights back on this tank and put my prime on the lagoon. That's just something else. But now that I have this card, I can go ahead and request these days off. I hope to see any freshwater or saltwater hobbyists here in New York. It's about 2 hours from me, so I will be there if I get these dates approved to be off. It's $20 to enter per day. If you all are looking at this, please take the time to subscribe to these YouTube channels. GD Cichlids, Danny Aquariums, Racing Natural, Jordan, SLC, Rob Hicks, Down the Wormhole, MTA, Aquarium Cop, Michael Fish Room. Subscribe to these channels on YouTube. They're very interactive as well. Definitely give a shout out to JJ Aquariums. Thank you for sending me your sticker here. You are a great fish enthusiast. Let's go ahead and get the box open. So I kind of brushed past that because I think it's boring. Looks like we have a sample of polyp booster. Yummy. I like to give that a shot and make sure I'll show y'all how I feed that. I do feed reef roids. So here's the one coral inside of the package. I like how they used the ramekin and they plugged it through. There's a sneak peek at the 25 lagoon. But anyway, that is the coral. We will get it in the tank and I will do a time lapse. I am pressed for time for I'm getting ready to work, so you won't be able to get the full extension, but we will show. So as I was saying, this is the stock lights. It has blue and white lights. They're 10K or something. They're definitely or 12K, I'm sorry, ready for coral growth. Acclimated this inside of the back of the tank so it can be at temperature. I won't do any drip acclimating on this. I am pressed for time and I will go ahead and dip it. So this is the new coral right here in the time lapse. You'll be able to see some snails go in the sand, and you'll see some extension as it starts to get comfortable in the first 30 minutes or so inside of the aquarium. By the time I get home tonight, it should be extended. Thank you all for watching. Please hit that like, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and just look at it grow. I think that's, pretty good for the first 30 minutes. It looks promising that it's going to be alive. Whoops. Bye bye.